Ida, and we had a group assignment about the UK, and then we have the agenda. And first we are introduction. First we have an introduction for Liz Trust and the challenges. Liz Trust is encouraging, and then we trust politicals to curb these challenges, and then we discuss the future that the UK will be facing in the lights of all the challenges, and then on the last we have the sources for the process. Yes, so Liz Truss is the new Prime Minister of the UK. She has been appointed to the new title by the Queen. Liz was born with left-wing parents in Oxford. She claims her political awakening came in secondary school at Roundhay School. She went to Oxford University to study political philosophy and economic. And before she left the university, did she switch to being conservative? And she became Prime Minister on the 10th September 2022. Liz has been described as the darling of the right wing of the Conservative Party, and she promised to cut taxes, fight wokeness in the civil service, and has railed against government handouts.
It's Kristen talking, and now we're going to talk about Liz, what kind of challenges Liz is facing, and there are some economical, both political, and some past promises and agreement that she has made. The economical challenges are energy bills. The energy prices are assumed to rise up to 80% in the start of October, resulting in a rise of the typical family bill to around £3,500 a year. Under the political, there is also the gas prices. Gas prices have risen with a scary amount this year. Since the war between Russia and Ukraine, Europe hasn't been supporting Russia, making Russia decide to reduce the flow of gas into Europe. But recently the wholesale prices have fallen to the same amount as the earlier this year, but the future of it is unpredictable, so there is a lot of attention on the matter. Inflation. The war between Russia and Ukraine has not only influenced the gas prices but also the overall inflation, hitting a high 10.1% among the sharp rise in energy prices and because the rising cost of food and basic essentials. Rising fuel poverty. The rise in energy bills is mostly expected to affect the poorer households, which typically spend most of their income on basic essentials. Political. Uniting the Conservative Party is the main political challenge. Overall, the other political challenge could be Liz Truss's overnight change from a Remain to Brexit opinion that could influence her career as the Prime Minister and how the people see her on her main role. Past promises and agreements. Net zero by 2050. The challenge by net zero by 2050 is if we're still gonna be economically stable to put money into the project, and if it's gonna be overall possible for UK to be done, or it highly may be delayed. Other than that, there is also Boris Johnson. When he was Prime Minister, he made an agreement, or more seen as a promise, where he offered the Ukraine political and military support. The big question at hand is, will support for Ukraine hold firm, and will there be consequences?
So, Ida speaking. To solve the problem about soaring energy prices faced by families and business across the UK, Liz had to make a quick decision. She made an opening speech on the energy policy debate. I quote from the speech. And today I am delivering on that promise. This government is moving immediately to introduce a new energy price guarantee that will give people certainty on energy bills. It will curb infection and boost growth. This includes a temporary suspension of green leaves. It means that from the 1st October, a typical household will pay no more than 25,000 pounds per year for each, and that depends of the next 2 years. The government has committed to decarbonize the generation of electricity by 2035. This is a part of the net zero strategy. There will be a need to massive expand on the renewable energy.
And it's Daniel talking. Now we are going to discuss the future challenges, and the economical is their annual energy bills will rise around 80% to £3,460, around $4,000 into October. A package to discount energy bills by £400 per householding during the winter months, but lowering the taxes might not be there might not be money to make the discount pack in the winter. In 2035, their goal is to decarbonize the generation of electricity, and that means that they have to minimize the carbon emission from electricity generation. Gas prices the gas prices are record high, and as they are right now. So we believe that they will fall over the next few years, and that will also include the inflation. We think that the inflation will at some point stabilize and the prices will slowly fall.
And this is Stigler speaking. On the political, we have Liz Truss overnight change from Remain to Brexit opinion. We believe that this will give us some problems in the future with how trustworthy she is, or if she just says what she does to get an advantage over the other political people. But we believe she will get control over it and have a good excuse, and therefore be pretty respected as PM. Then we have something about past promises and agreements. Net zero by 2050, is it still possible? We believe that it will be delayed a bit. Well, it's quite a big project, and it might take some more time than is set for right now. Then we have Boris Johnson offered Ukraine political and military support. The big question in hand is, will support of Ukraine hold firm? What will the consequences be? We believe that Liz Truss will pull out troops of Ukraine and stop supporting them political. That we believe that Liz Truss doesn't see that much positive in economic wise. We see that Liz will think more in economical than seeing moral in the war and doing what is morally correct.